The center console on your IONIQ has multiple storage and convenience features. Vehicles equipped with the sliding console feature can move the console rearward. This can be handy if the driver needs to enter the vehicle from the passenger side because another vehicle has parked too close to the driver's door. To slide the console, press the handle and then move the console to the desired position until it clicks into place. Storage areas are located inside the armrest as well as underneath the armrest. 4 USB ports are located in the console. 2 are provided in front for front passengers, while 2 more are located in the rear. The available Qi wireless smartphone charging pad is also located in the console area. To learn more about how the wireless charger operates, see the Wireless Charging Explained video on the Hyundai YouTube channel. Your owner's manual contains more information on these and many other features on your IONIQ. Please be certain to read it to learn more. For more helpful information on your IONIQ, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.